Movie camera. Welcome back to Tech Hub. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about OnePlus Open 2 and OPPO Find N5. Glowing star. Let's talk about foldables, water resistance, and groundbreaking technology from OPPO and OnePlus. A new standard for water resistance. Foldable devices often struggle with water and dust resistance, but OPPO is rewriting the game. The OPPO Find N5, the foundation for the OnePlus Open 2, is set to feature IPX6, IPX8, and even IPX9 water resistance ratings. Droplet. What does that mean? 1. IPX6, protection against powerful water jets. 2. IPX8, can be submerged in water for extended periods. 3. IPX9, withstands high pressure, high temperature water jets, something rare in foldables. In a recent Weibo video, OPPO's Zhou Yabao demonstrated the Find N5 being dunked in water and even functioning underwater. This is the only foldable with such robust water resistance. Refined displays. The video also teases the OnePlus Open 2's displays. 1. The outer display features thinner bezels, giving it a sleek look. 2. The inner display retains a design similar to the Find N3, with the camera positioned in the top right corner and a familiar aspect ratio. Incredible thinness. Let's talk about its design. The Find N5, closely related to the OnePlus Open 2, was showcased with astonishingly thin hardware. When unfolded, it's just slightly thicker than a USB-C port. This is a testament to OPPO's engineering excellence. More on OPPO and OnePlus. If you're as hyped as we are, here's what else you should check out. 1. OPPO Find X8 Pro's stunning camera capabilities. 2. OPPO Find N5's jaw-droppingly thin design. 3. Early leaks on the OnePlus Open 2, which hints at a refined design and early 2025 release. That's it for today on Tech Hub. If you loved this breakdown of the OnePlus Open 2 and OPPO Find N5, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Speech balloon. What do you think about the water resistance and design improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Party popper. Stay tuned for more tech innovations, only on Tech Hub. Outro. Subscribe. Animation with channel name and tagline, your gateway to technology.